Troubled by oily skin? Looking for some easy home remedies to tackle your skin issues? Skin that shines is not always healthy. Oily skin is the result of excess secretion of skin oil or sebum. Oily skin deserves proper care if you want to look beautiful. Today's video will discuss about oily skin treatment home remedies at home. 1. Cleansing. Washing your face with lukewarm water 3 times a day will help remove excess oil and stop acne formation. Try to splash cold water on your face. This will close the pores and maintain the pH balance of your skin. Remember, washing your face too often can dry out your skin. 2. Apple cider vinegar spray. Mix equal parts of vinegar with water in a small spray bottle and use it as a toner. Spray the mixture directly on your face. It is an effective toner remedy for oily skin. 3. Clay mask. Take facial clay. It can be obtained from any chemist. Mix 2 teaspoons of clay with warm water and apply evenly on your face and neck. Leave it for 5 minutes. Don't let it dry, then rinse it off. 4. Mashed mango mask. Mash a little bit of mango. Rub it on your face. Keep it for a few minutes, then rinse off. 5. Need to use sunscreen. Regardless of skin type, all skins need protection from the damaging ultraviolet and ultraviolet B rays of the sun. Sunscreen also prevent wrinkles and age spots from appearing on the skin. Since sun protection is imperative, it is best to make an informed decision before you buy your sunscreen. I hope these tips helps for oily skin treatment home remedies at home. Do let me know in our comment section below.